Well, hello vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike out on a rainy February day on Toledo Bend Lake, and this is going to be the video of the two trouble motors. I've been working on these two motors, that 5 horsepower HD25 for JV, and then Chris's 1947 9.7 Evinrude since Christmas. I've been working on these two motors, trying to get them run. Trouble, I mean, I've documented all that in videos before, and so it's what I love to do when something gets together. Finally got one working yesterday and the other one this morning. They both run like a charm. Let's see if I can run them for you so you can see. I'm going to start this one first. Here we go. Right, here's the 5 horsepower for JV. Finally got the settings right on the high speed right here, and the low speed settings right for it to start up. Watch this. Now I got this 9.7 Evinrude. Watch this thing run. It's a beautiful thing. Both trouble motors running. Two trouble motors are running. I'm having a great day. It's a great day. They're both going to be finished up and sent off. Woo-hoo! We're doing it 2 motors at a time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. Alright? I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it 1 motor at a time.